Dos caritas está Cristo.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. First of all, I need to apologize to you guys. I know I've gone for a while. It's just because of my busy schedule with school and assessments, exams, you know, family. So it's been hectic on me, but yeah, I'm back now. We've closed, so just for 2 weeks, and I thank you guys, some people that actually reached out for me. I really appreciate you all. Thank you guys so much. So in today's video is all about clear skin. Like, as you guys can see, my skin has cleared really good, like big time. So I'm here to share with you guys the reason for my, you know, brighter skin care. Yeah, an update on this Melanin, you know, London. So some people reached out to me and they were like, how is the cream, is it good and all that. So you'll just get a little bit of a cup of tea or coffee or anything you like, so we can go into this video. So the first thing that helped me so much is the I've not actually washed my face, but I'm just going to do it on camera here. Is this black soap. I use another, this one is a Dudu Osun, and I use this one. I use it quite a lot. And another thing I use is this African black soap, but mostly this is the one I use so much. This is actually my 6th pack, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my face.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too.
So guys, as you know, I love my macari, so sometimes, like once in a week, I just use the macari soap. So the next thing I do is to use some cotton pad, and then go with the Ahava time to clear as usual, and I just wet my face. So guys, the next thing I do is to go in with the lemon oil, and like honestly, this has helped me so much. As you can see, I've finished the face bottle. I got it from Hollands and Barrett's. So yeah, I finished that one, and this is the second one. Lemon oil is so good with clearing skin, and ever since I found that out, I've never, you know, stopped using that, and I use it at that time the spots were much. I use it like every night, but you have to dilute it. You have to mix it with any carrier oil. You don't put it directly on like this on your face. Make sure you dilute it. So this is what I do, like a couple of drops, and I just mix mine with sweet almond oil, just a drop, and I'll just put that on my face.
The colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever.
So this is basically what I do, and please subscribe to my channel, because I just ordered some body creams as well. I'm going to share with you guys what I use on my body, and it has actually arrived, but because I have a lot of things to share with you, I promise you guys I'm going to share with you guys with all this. The next thing I do is to go in with this cream, and this is a Hydro Expert by Sin, and this is aqua gel, and it has the cream as well. You use this one in the daytime, so in the night this is the one I use, the the gel one. It just says aqua gel. As you can see, this one is empty. Finished using this one. So on my second bottle, and this is how it looks. It's just like water. So after that, the next thing I do is to go in with this.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right.
I ordered a very nice face cream as well, and this is a French butter, and I got this one from Body Organics from Instagram as well. And I just started using this one like I just used this one like 2 days ago, because it just arrived. But this ones I showed you is, you know, has actually brought me here, like where I am just now. Melanin London, I need to tell you guys if it actually worked for me or not. So when I got this, as you can see, is not that big inside. This is how it is. It didn't say any amount of, you know, what is inside it, but it's not a lot. So, and I used this like I think 2 months or thereabouts. So this actually helped me when the spots were, you know, a bit much. You know, we, you know, ladies, we want something that can work very fast. Like me, when I use something and it's working for my skin, I know. When it's not working for me, I know. So this actually worked, but I wanted it to do the magic, because I heard so many people talking about it, saying it does this and all that. But I know maybe this one wasn't the right one for me, because this is just for the face, like a face cream. But I wanted it to target on my spots, and it did, but it wasn't that fast like what I actually wanted. So if you ask me, I will give this half 7, 8, because I wanted something that's, you know, that's quick, but it works, but it takes time. Like you need to continue to use it. And I told you guys that I wanted to order this or the other one, but I thought of it. I'm like, maybe let me just, it's good, but let me just try something else. So I came across lemon oil. So the lemon oil is so good, but you have to use it, mix it with carrier oil. And yeah, so guys, this is my final update on this. I like it, I really like it, but you need to, I think if your spots like were like big, this particular one may not target your spots 100%. Maybe because I can only say with what I have used, it can work, but it might take time. Like the one they have specifically for the spots might work, but I didn't go for that one because the spots I had wasn't like wow. So I thought the face cream, which it says that clears acne as well, might work. Like this does like 2 things. Maybe because I expected it to work like really fast, and which it wasn't what I expected. It works, but it wasn't what I expected. So that's why after using this one, as you guys see, I try to use everything. And like, so the last video I made about this one, so that was how it got me, and I had to, when I finished that, I didn't use that again. So but this maybe if I had known that time and I used this and this, it might work like so great. So if you want to go for this, yes, you can go for it, it works, but you have to, if you have like very dark spots, mine has cleared so well now. So don't mind this. I just saw this one this month. So if you want to go for this and you have very hyperpigmentation or like dark spots or uneven skin tone, I will advise you to, if you want to buy this, go ahead with this, but use it with lemon oil of your choice, but make sure it's organic, and go to a reputable store, supermarket, online, and buy it. Make sure you get original, and don't put that directly on your face because it might burn your skin. You need to mix it with any carrier oil like avocado oil, jojoba oil, or sweet almond oil, which I am using. Yeah, as you can see how mine, you know, mine is like somewhere here. I did not get this again the second time because I was like, let me try something new. Said, have it been I tried this with this, it might have, you know, worked perfectly fine, but I was just using only this one with my black soap and my Macari soap. It was working, but it was taking time. So if you want something fast, then you have to use it with lemon oil or anything, any oil you think that clears skin so well. So I will give this and have 7/8 on its own, but with this, yeah, it might work so great. So that is it. If you want to go ahead and purchase this, the only down thing again is that is expensive, but it works so well. But that's, I didn't buy it the second time. This is it. So if you want to go ahead with this Melanin London, please go ahead and purchase it. The last thing I do is to just put a pinch of this French butter. It's really good. It's expensive as well. Like, this is so expensive, but I had so many, you know, great reviews as well. So this is what I do. So bear in mind, I just added this one to my skincare just 2 days ago. So this one, I'll give you guys the updates when I use it, like maybe half of it, like after maybe a month or thereabouts. So I will give you guys the update on this one because I just added it into my skincare routine. So this is all I do. I hope this routine works for you, as it has, you know, done amazing for me. Like, I love skincare because I like to take care of my skin. So anything I see that works so well, I just go for it. So I don't use, sometimes I don't use everything at the same time. I use this and see how it works. I use the other one. Like, I will take you guys into my skincare, full skincare, like my face, my body, like everything I use gradually. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. That way you get notification anytime I upload a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you are good with my review. I hope you find it great. I hope you find it very helpful. So thank you guys for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Peace.
Me su me permite.
Kinda love you, Jiriba Okirikiri. Jiriba Okirikiri. Kinda love you, Jiriba Okirikiri. Kinda love you, Jiriba Okirikiri.